Alright guys, so I started with the troubleshoot video and I showed y'all how to make the different slides, but I wanted to make sure y'all knew how to link them so that way it goes straight to that published slide and it doesn't open something weird for you. So what I'm going to do is, so this is my first one, I've got my second and my third open, ready to go to show you. So my first one, this one links to getting it started, it links to slide 2. So to do that, I just came up here, I hit link, and then I hit slides and presentation, slide 2, and apply. Oops, I'm sorry, that was an email. So my computer is going to freak out on me. Then I go over here to slide 2, and I've got it that it's skipped while presenting, so that way on this slide they can't just click without clicking my link. Now what I have to do is click my clock, and right now it says deleted slide because I had copied this from my master copy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the link, and I'm going to go ahead and go over to my second slide. And I'm going to publish this to the web so that way it will link straight to my slide. So I'm going to go File, Publish to Web, Link, and then I like to just say every minute, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to hit Start Slideshow as soon as player loads, Restart after, I'm not going to hit Restart, this one. And then I'm going to hit Publish, yes. And then here's my link. So I'm going to go ahead, Control-C, copy that, and I'm going to go back to my first one. And I'm going to click on that clock again, hit the link icon, and then Control-V to paste that into. So now what's going to happen is when I present this, I'm going to hit present from beginning just to show y'all. I will come here. I've got my little audio clip already embedded. They can't go anywhere yet because look down here. It's not got anything going. So they have to click my button to go. Now, if I click this, it doesn't go on because there's nothing after it. That was a problem we were having in the last video. I have my little audio embedded, so they have to listen. And I've got my little reading corner. So, once I click my link for my clock, what will happen is now it will open in a new slide. So, it will now open in a new tab, which is something we're trying to avoid. And if I figure it out later, I'll figure it out and I'll share it with you. So now on this new slide, look, it won't go anywhere yet. Okay, I have to go through and find that link, and my link is the umbrella, and I will link that to slide 2, and then I'll keep doing that until all of my slides are linked onto my scavenger hunt so my kids can finish it up. So let me know if y'all have any questions. I hope I can help. Bye. Oops, if I can hit pause.